Hi everybody, welcome to HExcelprop Marketing Services. So I'm at the Provident Ecopolitan project. So the RERA, they have applied for it. They are waiting for the RERA approval. So they have received the acknowledgement number. So they are coming up with 1 BHK, 2 BHK and a 3 BHK apartment. Any customer who is interested, willing to invest in Provident with the lesser cost, so you may reach us. We'll be sharing our contact number in description. Well, the Provident is neighbor to the Brigade, Eldorado, Prestige, Godrej and assets in the market, and there will be other future developers who will be coming. Of course, they'll also be neighbor to that. So the only advantage, the best advantage of this property is three side open. It's a corner plot what they have got it. So this side there is a road in between assets and the boundary of Provident, and even in front this is the construction, the white color painting which you look out, the small G+2 floor the house which they are constructing, the marketing office which they are constructing. Between that and Brigade there is a boundary, and as well as if you look at this side, this is the government airport authority quarters. Even between the government airport authority quarters and the boundary, in between we have the road. And here this side we have the further extension of the KDB residential area. Well, you can look at, this is three side open, this land parcel what they have got it. Alright, and coming back to the floor plans, there are a lot of customers who are confused and who wanted to look out the layout plan of the 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK apartment of Provident. So what you have to do is you just need to come down to site, meet us at the site. We will make you to meet one of the relationship manager, the closing manager from Provident, so that you can meet them with them, and they'll be showing you the actual layout plan of this entire whatever inventories they have at the site. So it will be very difficult to share it with you until they receive the RERA approval. They have not received any RERA yet. But yeah, what they have received is the acknowledgement number about this project. So all the four phases, and they'll be receiving the approval anytime soon. So if you want to be the first customer to avail the first prize, customers who have given Provident vouchers, for them you will get the first prize of the project. The first prize, and this is the initial prize, the launch, actual launch prize. All right, so don't forget to go for the Provident vouchers if you are interested to avail the first prize of Provident. We'll be sharing our contact number in description. Reach us for everything in terms of information you're looking out for Provident. If you're still confused which one to select, we are here sitting in KDB all 7 days a week. What you just need to do is just put down a message on WhatsApp. We will reply to your message. Thank you. Stay safe everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Stay safe.